Nobody ever loved me.
Nobody loves me.
Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me.
Nobody loves me. They all love Yog.
Oh, nobody loves me.
Yeah, but would she love you if you were nobody?
Nobody loved me when I was nobody.
Because nobody loves me.
I don't know. Maybe because nobody loves me.
Nobody ever loved me before. Changed.
Changed?
Because you've changed.
Meryl, you've changed.
You've changed, DK.
You've changed, right?
You've changed. You've changed.
You've changed.
You've changed. You've changed.
You've changed. You've changed. You've changed.
You've changed.
No.
Oh, you've changed.
You've changed.
You've changed.
If you let me down.
You let me down.
Son, you have let me down.
Yes.
You really let me down.
I got off on the wrong foot. You come.
Let me down.
You let me down, man.
You let me down, Mr. Mason. You let me down.
You let me down.
You let me down.
You let me down too.
You really let me down.
Even you let me down, Hitler.
I'm so sick of you. Hey.
What? Oh, no.
I'm so sick of this.
I'm so sick of this rain.
I am sick of this shit.
I am sick of this, Jay. You treat me.
I am so sick of everyone.
I am so sick of February.
I am so sick of stubborn.
I am so sick of
I am so sick of these guys.
I am so sick of this city.
I am so sick of this crap, Alan.
I'm so sick of this crap.
I'm so sick of this. I am so sick of this, Lindsay.
Oh, I'm so sick of this war.
You know what? I am so sick of this.
I am so sick of this.
I'm so sick of this. Enough.
Good. I just wish things were different.
I wish it were different.
I wish everything were different.
I wish it were different.
Believe me, I wish that things could be different, but
I wish the circumstances were different.
I wish things were different.
I wish things were different.
I wish things were different. I really do.
I wish things were different. I'm not trying to.
I wish this story were different.
I wish things were different.
And wish things were different.
All the things I wished I could have done differently.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to fight. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we